Hello, we are told that we are to solve using the inverse property. So we are talking about the hydrogen ion concentration of a substance, and that is what's used to determine if a substance is an acid or a base. The hydrogen ion concentrations vary over a very wide range, so the logarithms are used to create a compressed pH scale. We saw that same concept when we were working with the intensity of sound, that logarithms were used to create the decibel scale. So we have a formula right here where we are told that pH is equal to negative log of the hydrogen plus ion concentration. And that hydrogen plus ion concentration is measured in moles per liter. We are told fresh milk has a pH of 6.6, and we're asked what is the hydrogen ion concentration of milk. So because this is the pH, I'm going to put that into the formula for pH and then be able to solve for the H+, the hydrogen ion concentration. So 6.6 is my pH, and that is equal to negative log of H+. All right, so when I go to solve, first thing I have to do is deal with anything that is in front of the word log. Here I have a negative, so I will divide by -1 on both sides. These guys cancel, two negatives make a positive. I'm left with the log of the hydrogen plus ions. And on my other side, this will end up with a negative 6.6 as the answer. Now, I'm supposed to use the inverse property. The inverse property is what allows me to cancel a log. When I look, this problem uses the common log, which is base 10. So I need to make this an exponent by adding in a base of 10 to both sides. The log and the base 10 cancel. So on this side, I just have the hydrogen plus, which is the hydrogen ion concentration. On this side, I have 10 to the negative 6.6 power. There was no additional math to do, so this is my concentration. I can put this on my calculator to get it in a more standard form, so just literally typing 10 with the caret key exponent of negative 6.6, and my calculator then gave me 2.51 decimal continues with an e to the -7, and we understand that that is in scientific notation, so 2.51 times 10 to the -7 power would give me the concentration of the hydrogen plus ions. So that inverse property, using a base on both sides, is what allows us to cancel the logarithm, because the base of 10 is the inverse of the common log.